Oh, guys. It's the largest plate of wonton noodle, guys. Woo. Oh, waited too long for this, man. Oh. There's a lot of noodles. Oh, the fat on the roast pork is like perfect. Oh, the roast pork today is out of this world. They're using this kind of egg. I would prefer if they have fried eggs. Still the best, no contest one. TikTok, stay with me. I will stream until the end, even if I shit my pants. We're almost done. One of my light went out, but I'll speed up and finish the rest. This is the tail end already. It's still so much though.